Towing lawn care equipment, bikes, or furniture is hassle-free with this carry-on utility trailer. The long open design accommodates couches, lawnmowers, and motorcycles. Its rear ramp gate offers easy loading and unloading. Its dependable steel frame holds loads over 2,000 pounds for added peace of mind. A top-wind tongue jack helps stabilize and level the trailer for easy hitching and unhitching, while round pipe top rails add strength to keep it square. The 15-inch tires help distribute weight evenly, and their round fenders help catch debris flying off the wheels when you're driving. A coupler with safety chains provides a secure connection to the tow vehicle for worry-free transport. The wire mesh floor works perfectly with tie-down rings and is easy to clean after the job is done. And a mesh tongue toolbox keeps small items confined for secure storage on the go. It's also lighted to DOT specs and offers a clear view when turning and backing. Keep cargo safe and sound with this carry-on trailer.